Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this FreeCAD guide for 2026, I'll show you how to import CAD files into FreeCAD. Whether you're working with models from another CAD program, collaborating with teammates, or modifying an existing design, FreeCAD supports a variety of file formats that can be imported into your projects. So let's get started. First, launch FreeCAD and open the workspace where you want to import your CAD file. You can either start with a new project or open an existing one if you plan to combine the imported model with other designs. Before importing, make sure you know the format of your CAD file. FreeCAD commonly supports formats such as STEP, IGES, STL, OBJ, DXF, and several others, depending on your setup and installed workbenches. Next, click the File menu at the top of the screen and select Open if you want to load the CAD file directly as a project. Alternatively, choose Import if you want to bring the file into your current project. You can now organize the imported model within the project tree, rename objects if needed, and begin making modifications using the appropriate FreeCAD workbenches. For complex assemblies or large files, it's a good idea to save your project immediately after import to preserve your progress and avoid having to repeat the process. Once everything looks correct, you're ready to continue designing, editing, analyzing, or exporting the model as part of your workflow, and that's how to import CAD files into FreeCAD. By using FreeCAD's import tools, you can work with models from multiple sources and integrate them into your own design projects with ease. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.